Good afternoon, Commonwealth of Pennsylvania. I'm Tyler Royce from Penn State Campus Weather Service with your afternoon update, and it feels like spring yet again. We have unseasonably warm temperatures for much of the state, unless you live in Bradford or Erie, and we'll get to that in a minute. We'll see rain overtake the state overnight tonight and into tomorrow, and we're going to have what we consider a cold weekend, but in reality we're going to be around seasonable, and we'll see possible flurries in the central region, elsewhere west and north, lake effect snow. So temperatures currently at this hour, 45 State College. It does not feel like spring in Bradford, Erie, and Franklin, and they're under clouds right now, so the sun hasn't been able to get to them. While where the sun has been shining brightly all morning long, Harrisburg, Lancaster, Philadelphia, they're in the mid-50s already, and we're only at noontime with some more heating to go during the day. I will not rule out lower 60s for these locations. So basically what's happening, 5:30 this morning, the whole state socked in with clouds. We saw temperatures, overnight temperatures around 40 degrees. But as the clouds moved out, you see the clouds stayed up in the northern portions of the state, but where it's sunny, temperatures are in the 50s. So wonderful for the spring-like weather, and it's not just here in Pennsylvania. 61 in DC, 60 in Raleigh. All this nice southerly air is coming up towards us. Just look down into the south. 73 already in New Orleans, while it's 38 Chicago, 35 Buffalo. We're kind of in the battleground between warm and cold in the state. So what we have is the precipitation we saw last night is moving off into New England, and this batch of wintry weather and rain down in the mid-Mississippi River Valley is going to start moving its way towards us, and we could track that on eye in the sky. So starting off here at noon, you see eye in the sky showing the snow and the precipitation out in the Midwest, and as we progress that throughout into the early evenings, clouds start to take shape, the storm system starts to move to the east, and as we go towards 11 o'clock, towards midnight, precipitation starts to enter the state. And taking a closer look, by this time the air is going to be juicy enough for places from Newcastle, Pittsburgh, and Johnstown where I cannot rule out a thunderstorm for them. If they do see a strong one, the main threat will be any wind or hail. But for everyone else, they're going to be seeing rain, a steady rain at that, as we progress through. So 11 o'clock, the rain starts to move in from west to east. Eye in the sky is painting a wintry picture for the northern portions of the state. I'm actually going to say that's a little bit too cold than what's probably going to happen. It's probably going to be wintry mix at the very least, but most likely scenario is going to be rain with temperatures hovering just above the freezing degree mark. That's Friday 3 a.m. As we progress towards 8 a.m. as we all go to class or to work, the precipitation starts to move out. The main one, the cold front, will start lagging through the state, and that will spark up some showers out ahead of that. So throughout the day, we're going to see scattered showers with cloudy conditions. At 5 o'clock, we see those scattered showers, but the cold front should be through for the overnight hours. So the clouds remain as we have a northwest wind, and the lake effect starts to pick up for those places from Pittsburgh to Erie to Bradford. So today's temperature is basically where it's cool and cloudy, temperatures stay in the lower 40s. Where it's nice and sunny, temperatures like here in State College, 50 degrees, 64 in Philadelphia. Tonight with those clouds and showers moving in, temperatures drop only into the 40s for those places that see the sunshine, so 45 Philadelphia, 40 State College. Erie drops down to 35, and for your forecast tomorrow, we're going to keep mostly everyone in the 40s. Philadelphia is going to see the 60 degrees due to the cold front slowly getting there, so they'll see more warmth move in from the southwest. And your 5-day forecast basically shows once we get through Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and Monday look beautiful for everyone out there, so a wonderful weekend. Have a great day. I'm Tyler Royce from Penn State Campus Weather Service.